Hello my friends, short review. It's Victorinox, it's classical SD, it's simple, cheap model, which I see as a keychain knife for my wife, cause it is pink, it is small, 58 centimeters here, 22 grams. What we have about tools: this plain knife, this tool for nails, and this like a bead. Here you saw scissors, here is one tool, and here is for this. Just compare this one with my EDC knife and those full-size knives, and also we can compare with my Laserman Micro. I prefer this bigger knife, like not so small like classical Victorinox, but at least it's about the same. So I think this knife would be good for using during maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years. It would be not so perfect looking when we'll contact with keychains situation of using, but it's not so important. 22 grams, 58 centimeters, and Swiss made Victorinox original. In description would be more links for link for my text review with more info, and also would be a little later reviews of all these knives. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, bye bye.